Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is optimization. Perimeter of rectangle is 40 centimeters. Find length and width to get maximum area. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. First, we need to put x and y are the length and the width. So we have perimeter of rectangle is about 2x plus 2y equals to 40. So we have x plus y equal to 20 because we just divide both sides with number 2. Next, we will about x equal to 20 minus y. The next one, we have the area equal to x multiplied with y. X we change to 20 minus y. And we got about 20y minus y square. Later that we do about first the derivative. So in here we have 20 minus 2y. We put first the derivative equals to number 0. So we have 20 minus 2y equal to number 0. And y equals to number 10. So we can find the value of x equal to 20 minus y equal to 20 minus 10. And you got about 10. So the value in here we need to find that's about the square, and that's the side of 10. So the maximum area is about 10 multiplied with number 10. We got about 100 square centimeters. This is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.